Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Center. This Thursday, we are going to see very isolated showers over parts of the interior. It's going to stay sizzling hot across the western parts of the country, and a mostly dry Friday is forecast across much of South Africa. Now, here on the most recent satellite picture, we still have cloud-free conditions over much of the interior, but across the eastern sections, we are still seeing quite a bit of cloud hanging around over those parts of the country, and we are starting to see a lot of fog moving onto parts of the west coast. So it's going to stay foggy for the rest of your Thursday along much of the west coast, and we're going to see mostly sunny and very hot weather conditions across the western interior. Dry and warm weather is forecast over eastern South Africa. However, late this afternoon and towards the evening hours, we should see very isolated thunder showers extending from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape into parts of Gauteng and also pushing down into parts of the Eastern Cape. The showers could stay with us way into your Thursday night. Now, we are expecting mostly between a 20 and 40% chance of thunder showers this afternoon, where you see the light shades of blue across much of the interior. You still have to be very careful around any open fires this afternoon. There is a warning for high fire danger across the western half of the country. Runaway fires are very possible wherever you see that shade of red. Light northwesterlies are expected this Thursday for the eastern areas of the Northern Cape and parts of the Free State. Light southeasterlies across eastern South Africa. It's going to be breezy, however, between Durban and Port Elizabeth, with winds gusting to 40 kilometers per hour around East London. Fresh winds are forecast around the Cape Peninsula. Now, here's how hot it is going to be in your part of the country. Look at Vredendal and Appington, both shooting to 40 degrees, 31 for the high in Cape Town. Pretty hot as well for the interior of the Eastern Cape. And we are going to see highs in the upper 20s along much of the East Coast. Johannesburg warms to around 28 degrees this afternoon, and a manageable 30 is expected around Pretoria. However, it's going to get sizzling hot as we get into the weekend for Pretoria. Look at temperatures on Saturday and Sunday reaching around 37 degrees, 36 on Monday, and there is a chance of showers for Pretoria from this Thursday through to Saturday. Now, here's looking ahead to the rest of South Africa for your Friday. We are going to see thunder showers extending from the eastern areas of the Northern Cape into parts of northeastern South Africa. Light rain and drizzle around George and Port Elizabeth, and things are going to cool down for Cape Town, peaking at around 27 degrees. Temperatures stay at 27 degrees for Cape Town on Saturday, and we're going to see thunder showers across the northeastern parts of the country.